And furthermore, separating from loved ones is unavoidable, even towards loved ones. If you know that these loved ones will leave me at any time, if you have that prior knowledge, you are aware, then you won't feel sad. The problem is when we meet someone, we forget the fact that we could lose this person at any time. So if you associate people, if you earn money knowing that these things will not remain forever, then there is some protection for you. You can reduce sadness. And if you can adjust yourself for the income that you get, and the problem is we are very proud and we want to show off to the world what we have. So when we try to show off to the world something that we don't have, then we fall in trouble. So there are unwholesome states in the mind, like we are proud, and then we are not in a position to show the true nature to others. True nature means we don't have to tell that we are having undeveloped minds, but then we shouldn't try to live according to other people, follow other people's luxurious life when we are unable. What we try to do is we try to live according to neighbors and friends. But we should live life to the way possible for us. So don't let your unwholesome thoughts to ruin your life. It's our unwholesome thoughts who ruin our life. But if we can live life the way we can without living life to show others, then a lot of our problems can be solved. And one more thing, the showing off thing can be only done in this life. Now in next life, once we are born in a wrong place, imagine in next life if you are born as an animal, what can we show off? In next life, if you are born in a country, in a very poor country, among poor people, in a poor family, what can we show off?